Hello! Today I'm going to bring you along as I make over my bathroom on a budget. I hope you like it. This is how my bathroom looked just before we moved in. It's not terrible, but I'm not crazy about the wallpaper, and in general it just needs to be spruced up a bit. Our budget for remodeling was pretty small, so I gave myself $100 to kind of fix the bathroom up and make it something that I like. I'm going to paint the cabinets this dark kind of forest green, and then the walls are going to be white. Might do a backsplash of peel and stick tiles, but we'll see. I'm going to leave the floors how they are because they're fine, whatever. We're going to clean the walls, clean the counters, prep for paint. All right, let's go. I'm going to start by using crud cutter. I'm going to get everything out of the bathroom first and start. All right, let's go. Okay, so all the stuff is out now, for the most part. We get to cleaning. I did clean the walls when we first moved in with regular all-purpose cleaner, but the amount of stuff that I got off with the crud cutter is so gross. Oh, this works really well. Look how gross. Ugh, this stuff stinks. My hands are sticky. This stuff is insane. Okay, so here's where we are at the moment. I cleaned all the walls, put that shelf up there just temporarily. The cabinets are all clean. These are like stains I couldn't get off. I don't know what it is. These cabinets are all clean. They look so much better now. And this is like a vinyl wallpaper, and I'm going to try to paint over it. I'm using a satin finish paint by Kills that I got on clearance at Walmart. I paid $15, full price I think it was $26. I didn't want to replace the light fixture, so I'm painting over it. I'm not sure how long this will last, but it'll work for a while. The cabinet paint is a semi-gloss from Valspar in the color Alpine Valley. Also, I do realize that this is a very messy, unprofessional looking paint job, but I ended up painting the walls, the upper cabinets, and the lower cabinets all within a day and a half, so my arms were pretty tired at this point, and I was not in the mood for being super precise. I think it turned out okay in the end. Okay, I am done for today. I'm super tired. This process has aged me. It's really just paint. Oh yeah. I've got the third coat on the walls. I've got 2 coats of the green down here, 1 coat of the green up here. Now I'm just waiting for everything to dry so I can go back in. The walls are looking pretty good. Since this was wallpaper, there are these seam strips. I really didn't like the gap between the seam strip and the wall, so I filled it in with caulk. I also went around the baseboards with caulk to clean that up too. This is where I tried to get crafty. I read that you had to condition wood before you stained, so I tried doing that with coffee. I don't really think it did anything, but then I went ahead and stained the knobs with the same stain that's on the mirror frame, Ebony by Minwax. This was cheap, easy, and it looks okay. I decided to cover the countertop with contact paper. I had no idea if this was going to work out exactly how I wanted it to, but it turned out much better than I expected. I just cleaned the counters as well as I could, making sure there was no dust or oil on there. Originally, I was going to use this very shiny plasticky marble paper that I got specifically for this project, but alas, I measured wrong and did not have nearly enough. Luckily, I did have a random roll of matte marble contact paper lying around. It wasn't the same plasticky texture, so I wasn't sure how it would hold up to moisture, but I decided to try it anyway. And yes, I did put it directly over the first contact paper. Don't ask me why. I don't know. Then I went over all the seams with waterproof caulk to try and make it as waterproof as possible. I've had these counters for a few months now and they've held up really well. Time to decorate. I painted these paintings using the cabinet paint and gold acrylic paint on Dollar Tree canvases that I took apart and stained to look framed. I'm just adding in all my plants, candles, and everyday products now. This shelf is another Dollar Tree find that I stained with the ebony stain to match, and I just hung it over the toilet and put plant clippings and a candle on it. I got these wall hooks on Amazon for hanging towels and bathrobes on. So here is a reminder of how the bathroom looked before, and here it is after. I know this bathroom makeover is not perfect, and it was never intended to be. Maybe in the future I will do a much cleaner official remodel, but for now I am very happy with this super cheap makeover. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing for future room makeovers of my 1960s house.